Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Stremio buffering. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, I'm going to start with the most common fixes first. So the first fix is to simply close out of Stremio completely and then reopen it up. Now the next fix is to restart your router. So if you're using a router, go ahead and unplug it for at least 30 seconds and plug it back in. Next fix after that is to switch over from your Wi-Fi to mobile data if you are using Wi-Fi or vice versa. Now, fix number 4 is to test your internet speed. So just do a Google and Google check internet speed and just run any of the top results here. Now, if you're noticing that you have issues with your internet speed, you might be using it at peak times when there's lots of other people on the server congesting it. You just might need to wait it out or for an hour or two. Now, the next fix, if you are using any VPNs in the background, go ahead and disable them because they will cause buffering issues if you're using a VPN from a server that has very bad internet connection or connectivity.